There's a very sort of strange genesis to the writing of Turbulence. It came through me getting married, meeting my father-in-law, Julian Hunt, who's one of the world's great theorists of turbulence, and talking to him about his work, he began to tell me about a man called Lewis Fry Richardson. In fact, Julian's great aunt was Richardson's wife. Richardson was a scientist who worked between the 1920s and 1950s, primarily on meteorology, but also on peace studies and all sorts of areas of what's sometimes called continuum physics, the physics of stuff that moves around. And anyway, one of the things Richardson did was invent the modern method of weather forecasting. That's to say, numerical weather forecasting, in which the physical quantities of weather are assigned numbers and values, and which can then be computed. And that's really the basis of modern weather forecasting. But the interesting thing about him was that he was really Britain's greatest weather forecaster in the wartime period, or theoretical weather forecaster anyway. But he didn't have anything to do with the most important forecast of that period, which was D-Day. He was a Quaker, and he wouldn't allow his work to be used for military means. I became very interested simply in the science of his work, but also in this D-Day forecast, the most important weather forecast certainly of modern times, and absolutely crucial to the survival of Western civilization. So I put the two things together, invented a fictional version of Richardson, and that's really where the story got going.